This is Celebrity Vibes with Oxman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share.
Let me discuss this with
yes,
you.
Tell me.
So I had the song already, and Mr. Sadiq reached out that I have this idea for performance. This, like, he visualized it to me. This is how I wanted to go understand it. And I told him I have the. He just shared the idea with me, and I said I have this song I'm dropping sometime next 3 or 2 weeks. I think it will be better for. So I played it for him. It was like, yo, 100. This is it. You understand? So I sent the song to him. They did the live rendition of it. I was in Nigeria, Lagos then. So when I dropped down, I started doing my rehearsal, and man, that perform went nuts. No cap, I did, but.
Subscribe for more videos.
See, that's why I don't like to limit things or like set limits or like expectations to myself, because I don't want to make my mind overblow like that. You understand me? Cause I knew, if this waterfall for stage, if I perform this thing live, nobody here before, did they hear the kicks, everything, ego mess up. I just knew that like ego mess up. By the time
Subscribe
happened,
for more videos.
And raw and real place. I don't like to filter like stories or like emotions in my song. I put everything in there and be, cause me, that is how I want to see art from my perspectives. Cause with what influenced me.
Subscribe for more videos.